2009 Master Carpenter.
Get in there. Look at that hammer drill in action. You know, y'all know I'm not a woodworker or anything, but I always say if you do your best and put in 100%, you might be surprised at what you get out of it, even if it's something you're not an expert with and have never done before. Alright, let's go see if the compressor starts. Yeah! Night night air compressor. There. Love it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope somebody likes my compressor shed idea. You're more than welcome to use it at your own risk, of course. I know several people that have relocated theirs outside their shop, and now I know why. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day, everybody.